our first Ghanaians to travel from Ghana to space, wave high the flag on Jupiter. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Yes, once again I am Alexander Nyanko. You can just call me SRC, and if you are new to the channel, please, you are welcome. Kindly do well to subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Yes, so I know probably most of you have heard this already, and if you are yet to hear it, yes, it's true. Ghana plans to launch a rocket into space. It's an ambitious plan. Now, this is what I picked from Joy News Online. Now, they say Ghana announces ambitious plan to launch rockets into space. Now, in fact, this whole issue popped up after, recently a program was held at Cape Town in South Africa for, the International Astronomical Union. So it was through that Joy News reached out to some of the reps from Ghana. And in fact, a woman actually made all these claims, and I'm going to read them because I picked the source from Joy Online News. So there's an article which says that the Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute has announced that Ghana plans to launch a rocket into space soon. You see, the big question is, why do we want to launch a rocket into space? And in fact, today's video I've thematized it as From Accra to Jupiter. In fact, I had a very crazy thematization, but I was like, okay, from Accra to Jupiter, it's okay. Why? Why do we want to launch rockets into space? Are we financially capable? Because even when you read this article, the lady makes an assertion that we are not financially capable, and hence she is hoping that government, together with other agencies, could partner to boost or build revenue or resource for that exploitation. But the question is, in terms of necessity, how do you put that over education, over health, over so many stuff, so many important stuff? Do you get it? Fine, no one is doubting their capabilities. No one is saying that the Ghana Astronomical what. In fact, they have a name. That's the Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute. No one is doubting their capabilities, that they can't fly a rocket to space. We know they have the astronauts, they have everybody, they can do it. But in terms of necessity, is Ghana ready for that move? That is the big question. Do you get it? Or is it that we want to actually embark on this adventure so that we can boast that, yes, in terms of technological advancements, Ghana can actually boast that, hey, we are top notch? What is the end goal?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Do you get it? So in fact, people are talking about this whole thing. Some might even say that no one better rocket in Marco space or not. a whole lot. So let me read what we have here. So the Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute has announced that Ghana plans to launch a rocket into space soon. Now, however, the institute knows that this long-term ambition will require partnership with other member states of the International Union. Now, I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm just picking some important aspect of it. The 2024 IAU, which is the International Astronomical Union General Assembly, hosted in Cape Town, South Africa, marks the first time this prestigious event has been held on the African continent in the Union's 105 history. Wow, so it means that ever since they established the International Astronomical Union, almost 105 years, this is the first time they've actually held, one of their conferences at Africa, which is at Cape Town in South Africa. Wow, interesting. Anyway, let's continue. Now, the IAU General Assembly serves as the largest global platform for astronomers. Anyway, let's calm down. Let me see. Okay, so speaking to Joy News, Blessed Soga on the sidelines of the event, Dr. Naomi Asabre Frimpong, a research scientist at the Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute, revealed that Ghana does plan to go space. Interesting. However, we will need a lot of investment in space technology, in space engineering, communication, and research, because our infrastructure right now doesn't support going to space as far as the International Space Station. But surprisingly enough, in fact, this is new to me, and I don't know if I'm the only person, but then how come we never knew we had such an institute? Is it that their reach out has not been well advertised? Because for we to have a Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute who are actually having plans on going to space, and we've literally not heard a lot about them. their relevance. I feel like it has been very low. So probably if the publicity is weak, they should upgrade it. Now, reacting to concerns that Ghana and some other African countries may not have had advanced satellite technology, Dr. Naomi intimated that Ghanaians are really brilliant. We have a lot of potential and we are able to do a lot with the little infrastructure we have. So with the support from the government, with the support from the public and our own research and universities, Ghanaians can contribute to the international scientific community. And so I don't think we should look down on our scientists. We can do more with more support. So yeah, basically we are not looking down on them, but all we are saying is that, I mean, are we there yet? Are we financially capable? Are we there yet? If we are not, we don't have to fast track anything. All right, because at the end of the day, it all falls down on necessities. Do you get it? Exactly. Yeah, but anyway, we heard this story. It brought about so many rumors. Ghana, with the left Accra, they go space. I mean, yeah. But anyway, we are still going to follow up with this story and see whatever the outcome will be. We are hoping that the ambitious plan will actually come to pass as quick as possible, so that we'll see, I mean, our first Ghanaians to travel from Ghana to space, wave high the flag on Jupiter. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Yeah. Bye bye.